Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, dear all. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Nidhi, good afternoon. Astha, Avilash, Abhishek, Adarsh, Ashutosh, Ganesh, Diksha, Kalash, Nivedita, Prashant, Rishabh, Sejal, sorry. Shashank, Ujjwal, Shashvi, Astha, Deepak, Dipti, Harshit Tyagi, Isha. Am I audible to you, dear students? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, most of you have recognized me perhaps. Do you know me? Who am I?
Yes, sir.
So, a very good afternoon, everyone. This is Ashish sir, and most of the names I can see from section D, from section G, from section O, and I hope I'm still fresh in your memory. Harshit, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Do you know me? Pranay,
Yes, sir.
do you know me?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Okay. So I think this class is of I think Atul Mansars. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now who is the CR of this class?
Sir,
We have 35 participants with us. Who is the CR?
Shwansi.
Subhanshi. Where is she? Subhanshi, are you there? Ganesh, how are you? Ganesh, are you there? सब बस बाबा जी कथा सुनेंगे. म्यूट कर लिया. Come on, everybody, just reply and answer.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Who is this? Adarsh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me know what is the strength of this class? I think 36. It's a tute, perhaps, isn't it? It's a tute or lecture. It's a tute. Let me check. No, it's a lecture, perhaps. Hmm. Okay. Okay. What we were going through in the last segment. I think this is the first class after the examination. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just wait a minute. Let me upload the sheet and we'll discuss. Huh? Give me a minute. I thought it's a tute class. So wait a minute. EPP. Just give me a minute. Okay, can you see the sheet now? The students, can you see the sheet of
Yes, sir.
error correction? Everybody
Yes,
can see
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now look at the first paragraph from 2 years. Actually, this is the practice sheet of error correction. Okay, and this error correction is based on tenses and subject verb agreement. Okay, so sheet is here. Now look at the first segment, the first paragraph. Options are here. Ready with your answers, and we'll discuss. Okay, we'll discuss one well. So I'm giving you 2 minutes. Have a look, and we'll discuss it. Wait a minute, let me make this sheet visible to you. Now, that's fine. Mhm. Just wait a minute. Okay, now try to solve the questions, and you can zoom in your computer screen. Okay. Can you please answer the first question? What can be the answer of this question? 2 years ago, Mrs. Gupta dash. Now here we are talking about 2 years ago. Am I audible to you? Can you hear me now? Students, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now what is the answer to the first question? 2 years ago, Mrs. Gupta dash what?
So
What can
wake up.
be? Wake up, woke up, was waking up. What can be? Wake up.
So wake up.
2 years ago. We are
Sir,
talking about
woke up.
present or past.
Woke up, sir.
Past.
We're talking about past. Yes, the answer is D. Woke up.
Past.
2 years ago, Mr.
Woke up.
Gupta woke up at 3 a.m. At first, she didn't know why she again. At first, she didn't know why she again. Can be the next sentence? Can you please tell me the next?
Wake up,
Again,
sir.
it would be woke up. Again, no, no, again, it would be woke up. Why? See, if you look at these two sentences, both are in past. Look at here. These two sentences are in past. We're talking about past sentences. 2 years ago, you're talking about the past, recent past. So Mrs. Gupta woke up at 3 a.m. At first, she didn't know why. She again didn't know is talking about past. So the following sentence will also come in past. So at first, she didn't know why she woke up because we're talking about past. But then she again, then she, what can be the answer?
Sir,
Hears, was hearing, heard. Again, क्या होगा? Come again. Tell me please. What can be the answer?
sir, heard a sound. Heard a
Again,
noise.
heard. Why? Why it is heard?
Because past sentence.
Yes,
Past.
when you're dealing with past tense, again all the verbs will go in past. Okay. Now I have received some responses from. Yes, Adarsh, I'll take regular classes. Woke up, heard, very good answer. Nidhi, well done, everyone. Mhm. And also from section Z. Yes, Ritik, you're right. Yes, perhaps let's see whether I'll be regular or not. I don't know. Okay, now, so 2 years ago, Mrs. Gupta woke up at 3 a.m. At first, she didn't know why she woke up, but then she heard a noise. So if you look at these sentences, this is these two sentences, from 2 years till a noise. both are in past, and that's why all the verbs are being used in past. Is it clear or not? From here, uh, from to noise, is this clear to you or not, or do you have any doubt? According to you, do you feel that there is a one more answer, or there is a one more option which can be correct here? Do you feel that, or is this fine to you? Oh, chota ho gaya. Wait a minute. Now it's fine. Okay. Do you find any question here till here? Any problem? I'm waiting for a
No,
response.
sir.
Okay. It was a scratching sound. Mrs. Gupta dash 4. Carefully. क्या होगा? Option 4. Option 4 is here. Wait a minute. Option 4 is here. Listening, listening, listened, had listened, has listened. None of the options. Which
Sir,
can be the right
was
answer?
listening होना चाहिए ना?
Why? It was a scratching sound. Mrs. Gupta was listening or listened? सुन रही थी या सुना उसने?
सर सुन रही थी.
Okay, then when she was sleeping, how can be listening? How can she, how could she be listening that song when she was sleeping?
Sir, she woke up na first.
When she woke, so when she woke up, she listened or she was listening?
Listened.
Listen.
Listen, na. Have you got the
हाँ.
point or not? When she woke
Yeah.
up, she listened the song. It was a scratching sound. Okay, is it clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then listen carefully. She dash never hear that sound before. She dash never.
She had never heard.
Now,
She had never heard.
very good. Never heard. Why? Because we are talking about past. So, and now you're going early in past. Okay, now you're going past in past. In that case, it should be she had never heard that sound before. While she was dash in her bed. While she was. Question 6. While she was sitting. While she was sitting in her bed, the noise got louder. When she was sitting in her bed, the noise got louder. और तेज हो गई आवाज, when
Sir, please scroll
see देखो.
down.
Wait a minute, beta. Now, I have done this. Look at carefully. I have done this. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, okay now. So while she was sitting in her bed, जो अपने बेड पे बैठी थी, she was sitting in her bed, the noise got louder. और तेज हो गई. The scratching sound got louder. The old lady wondered where the sound was coming from. Although she, then what can be the answer of 8? Question 8. She is afraid, has been afraid, was afraid, had afraid, none of the above. So if you look at carefully, question
Was
option
afraid.
A is not befitting. Option A and B are in present tense, so they are not befitting. And here we are
Was.
looking for B
Was.
form. Look
Was
at here.
afraid.
Here we're looking for B form. And what is the form of B? It's a is, am, are, was, were. So only option was correct is a what? Just wait a minute. Now can you see this? Wait a minute.
Yes, sir.
Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
it's
sir.
fine. There's some problem
Yes, sir.
here. Wait a minute. Just give me a minute and then we'll. Okay, you were dealing with question number 8. Okay, so had been afraid, was afraid. So what given the answer of question 8? It could be was afraid. Why? Because we are looking for the what form of be, and be actually when you're talking about a helping verb in the primary auxiliaries, B is a B includes is, am, are, was, were. So since we are talking about past tense, so is, am, are, was, is, am, are will not be befitting here, and that's where we are going with what? Was. She was afraid. Is this clear or not? आप
Yes,
क्या
sir.
बोलते हो? आप डरे होते हो तो क्या कहते हो? I am
I'm
afraid.
afraid.
ये बोलते हो ना, I am afraid. So what is the past of I am? I was afraid. Okay. So although she was afraid, she decided to get out of bed. I dash. This is a cat. What? Question number 9. Can you answer the question? Question number 9. I think or
Thought.
thought?
Thought.
Thought.
Yes. I thought. Yes. Very good. I thought. Yes. But wait, I think or I thought?
Thought. Thought.
No, it's a, now it's a think. No, it's a think. How do you know it's a think?
Sir,
Now it's
past
think, not thought.
thought होगा.
Please. You're right, but now look at this sentence carefully. She decided to go out. Till here it was past, fine. Till here you're dealing with past. That's fine. Now
Yes,
look
sir.
at this sentence carefully. I dash this is a cat. Now this is a cat. We are coming in which tense?
Present.
Present. Yes, sir. Think.
Present. So here it would be think or thought.
Think.
Yes, I think this is a cat. That answer 10.
Is
Answer 10. That is playing. Yes, that is playing
With my dustbin.
with my dustbins. I think मैं सोचती हूँ that this is a cat which is playing or that is playing with my dustbins. I then.
I chased.
मुझे क्या करना चाहिए?
I should
Now,
chase.
I should change.
Yes.
I should chase. Look at carefully the sentence. Wait a minute. Okay, with my dustbins, I should chase it away so I can sleep again. She thought that I should chase it away so that I can sleep again. Okay, who thought? Mrs. Gupta
Mrs.
thought.
Gupta.
Mrs.
Okay,
Gupta.
so it should be. हाँ भाई देखो आप जो सोचते हो, suppose that you think something, okay, I should work hard. Of course, when you think, you are not performing it. Okay, you're just planning, and when you are planning, of course, it should will come. I should work hard. I should go for walk early in the morning, like this. So here, she thought that I should chase it so that I can sleep again. Then again, okay, till here, do you have any question? Till here.
no, sir.
Question
No,
number
sir.
11. Till question number 11, do you question? Okay, but then the noise suddenly
Changed.
what?
Changed.
Yes, very good. Then the noise suddenly changed, and
Changed.
what happened? Changed. This sounds like someone.
The sounds.
Talking.
This sounds like someone. What?
Someone-
Talking. Yes. This sounds like
Talk.
someone talking. She whispered to herself. Have you got it or not? So
Yes,
just
sir.
look at it and tell me whether you are clear for this or not. Is it clear to you or not? Just tell me.
Yes.
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
फाइन है सबको? Is
Yes,
it-
Yes.
sir.
मेरी बात मान रहे हो या सच में क्लियर है?
नहीं clear है, sir.
Clear
Clear
है.
है sir, clear है.
Okay, thank you. Now let's talk about this segment. 14 to question number 14. Wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Question number 4. अरे यार, what is going on? Question number 14 to 20. Okay. Now let me. Okay. First, let question number 14, 15, 16. Just have a look and we'll discuss today. Okay. Just have a look. 14, 15, 16 and we'll discuss. think he went somewhere. कहीं गए हैं अभी? Okay. Now, before doing this, I would like to, you know, draw your attention on this segment. Wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Now look at this. And okay. Now you can see, you know, foot pics of conditionals. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have 4 types of conditionals. Here you can see. Okay. If you stand in the rain, you give it. Here we're talking about 0 conditionals. Fact, generally true or scientific facts, the condition always has the same result. Okay. So when we're talking about facts or generally scientific or true facts, you use present simple tense in a 0 condition. That's called 0 conditionals. Okay. What is the meaning of conditionals? Conditionals means condition plus result. Okay. If you work hard, condition, and the result will be you will get success. Okay. So first talk about okay, let's talk about 0 conditionals. You can have this picture and this will going to help you. Well, I have downloaded it from internet. So this is something you know, which you know, you can keep it for you know, for your upgradation. That is, several pictures are available on the net. I'm just discussing to give you an overview. Okay, that is not in the syllabus. Okay. Now again, what is the first conditional? Present simple, and present indefinite tense plus will and will not, like this, like a possible situation in the future, or predicting like a result in the future. When you are when you are getting a predictable result in the future, you can use conditions in present simple and a result in the future simple. Okay. When your result is confirmed and predictable, you can use present simple in a conditional sentence conditions, and again in a result you can use will and would. Again, when you are talking about the hypothetical situation, do you understand what is hypothetical? अगर तुम आते तो ऐसा होता, अगर ऐसा होता तो ऐसा होता. It's called hypothetical situation. So when you are dealing with a hypothetical situation, used past simple, and again will would be converted into would. Again, past of will would be would. So now here in the second conditionals, you will use past tense plus would, not will and shall. And again, if you're going imagination, imaginary situation, or अगर मैं राजा होता, या अगर ऐसा हुआ होता तो ऐसा हो गया होता, like this, totally imagination, then use had plus v3, past perfect with would have plus v3. So this you need to understand. When you are dealing with 3 or 4 situations, you can have this picture, and this can help you. You can take a screenshot of this picture. This is going to help you. Okay, I'll share if you ask me. Okay, now let's come to the questions. Let me remove it and then you'd understand. Just wait a minute. Now here, let's come to question 14. If C was you, C would join that group. What is this? It's a confirm or hypothetical situation. Dear students, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. Now
Sir,
it's a
hypothetical
hypothetical situation or it's a fact?
Hypothetical.
Yes, it's a hypothetical situation. So when it's a when it's a hypothetical situation, can we use was?
No.
No. We always use what? अगर मैं राजा होता तो क्या क्या कैसे यूज करते हैं? If I was a king or if I were a king?
I were.
In hypothetical situation, what we do? If I was a king or if I were a king?
So I were.
Huh?
I were a king.
Yes. So what could be the right answer? If C were you, what is the right answer here? If C were you, C would join that group. Is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me give you a logic, you know, a good logic for this. If I say I am a teacher, is it confirmed or not? Tell me.
No, sir.
I'm a teacher. Is it not confirmed?
Yes,
So confirm.
Confirm, sir. Confirm.
डाउट, तुम सबको डाउट है क्या? अब मैं मुझे पहले डिग्री दिखानी पड़ेगी कि हाँ मैं टीचर हूँ. गधों. Okay.
No, sir, वो
If we are
सुनने
going
में
for
थोड़ा
past,
अजीब सा लगा.
it's okay. कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. I'm just kidding. Huh? If I say he was a teacher, what I'm doing in both sentences? Look at here is the confirmation in the present slot and here is the confirmation in the past slot. Have you got it or not? इतना बताओ समझ में आया कि नहीं? Is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So I am a teacher and he was a teacher. Both are confirmed sentences because we are talking about, and we are with these in a present and past slots respectively. Okay. But if I say, if I was a king, is this structure correct? No. Why? Because when I'm using if, how can I go for confirmation with was? And that's why we use what? Were. Have you got it or not? Is this clear or not? So whenever we use were on the place of was, it means it's a hypothetical situation which we are indicating. Okay, whether it's I, we, she, he, we, Ram and Shyam, whatsoever, singular or plural, we always use were with them because we're talking about hypothetical situation. Is this clear or not? Tell me, please.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Clear है.
Okay. So now in this sentence, what we are doing? Just wait a minute. Now in this sentence, what we're doing? Look at the, if she was you, अगर वो तुम होती तो क्या करती? She would join that group. Would group को join कर लिया होता. Okay. In that case, she was cannot go. So what can be she?
Were you?
Were. अभी समझ में आया कि नहीं बताओ पहले? मेरी समझ में आ रहा, बस मेरी बात मान रहे हो? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's the imagination. Look at the 15th question. Imagination. If child played the match, he would have enjoyed it. Now it's a reality. It's purely imagination. Look at carefully. Entirely imagination. If the child played the match, so what can be the right answer?
C.
No.
Maybe.
B is the right answer.
B.
When we are talking about imagination, it will go past of past. There's nothing, it has nothing to do with the reality. If child had played, purely imagination. मैंने अभी देखो आपने picture लिया होगा, उसमें ध्यान से देखो. When it's a pure imagination, then go with past perfect. If it's a hypothetical situation, then go with past simple. देखो ये क्या था? Question number 14. Look at this. It is a hypothetical situation. Past simple. Okay. Were and then would. Look at here. It's a pure imagination. Past perfect. Had plus V3 and then would have plus V3. Past perfect. Again would have plus V3. Again past talking. We are talking about perfect tense. Okay. So this you need to understand that when you find imagination, use perfect tense. Past perfect in both slots. And when it's a hypothetical situation, use past simple. And when it's a predictable situation, use what? Present indefinite condition in a present indefinite and result in a future indefinite or future tense, will and shall. Okay. Now let's come to this question. When my teacher will teach, I will study. Now this is hypothetical or imagination? It's a condition or imagination?
Hypothetical, sir.
No, it's a neither hypothetical nor imagination. It's a condition.
Condition.
In that case, what will happen?
So taught.
नहीं, past में कैसे जाएंगे?
Sir, जब पढ़ाएंगे तभी मतलब.
हाँ
तो
तो
फिर
पढ़ाएंगे. It's a predictable ना?
teach. फिर teach
Coming
और
in future. हाँ? In that case, it would be teacher is a third person. So my teacher teaches.
teachers.
When my teacher teaches, I will study. Look at whether पता ना आप लोगों ने download किया था that segment. Have you downloaded it? The particular picture which I've just shared. When my teacher teaches, look, let me tell you one more time. What is if something is predictable, which is coming in the future, okay? Then with condition use present tense, and with result use future tense. But if situation is hypothetical, then used past tense. If situation is imagination, then use perfect tense, past perfect tense. That is I'm talking about. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's come to question number 17 and tell me.
रिपीट कर दिए
What can be the answer? Okay, when two sentences are in the past, what can we use? The patient died before the doctor came. कौन सा काम पहले हुआ है, मरना या आना?
मरना पहले.
So the patient, then it will go in the, it will be past of past, remote past, any past perfect. What can be the sentence? The patient had died. The patient had died before the doctor what came. Do we find any option of had died here?
No, sir.
So what is the answer?
None of the above.
Sir, none of the
Yes, you're right. Yes, the answer is none of the above. See, when here the sentence, see, two things are happening one by one. First, patient died, then doctor came. If coming of doctor is in the past tense, came, then again patient would die before it. Have you got it? In that case, it would be patient had died because it has been done earlier. So the patient had died before the doctor came. In that case, none of the above is the answer. Is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, it's something working like clauses. In mostly sentence, we are seeing that another clause is dependent on first clause.
The given sentence. Do you think that this sentence is correct? Okay, we'll wait for the Ketan's reply. Now, am I audible to you? Okay, now let's come to question number 18 and 19. 18, 19, 20. What is 18? Can you answer the question number 18? Dear students, question 18. Till 20 or till 19 we'll be doing today. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 18. Recently, I finished my task on time. Now, with recently, we are in which tense? Present or past?
So present, recently.
Yes. So what can be the answer?
So have finished.
Yes. Recently, I have finished my task on time. This is the right answer. Recently, abhi bhi kiya hai, मैंने खत्म किया है. So we are talking about the completion of the work is in the present tense, in a perfect tense, present perfect tense. So in that case, recently I have finished my task on time. Question number 19, tell me. Let me give you a
Sir,
clue.
none of the
Look at
above.
here. For last 3 days.
B.
Yes.
Sir, have been doing hoga.
Yes.
Have
Very
have
good.
been doing.
Very good. Yes. I have been doing my task strenuously for last 3 days.
Yes,
Perfectly
sir.
fine. Why? Because we are talking about present perfect continuous tense, not continuous tense. In continuous tense, we go with is, am, are. But in perfect continuous tense, we go with has, have, been. Okay. So the right answer is B. Okay. Till 19, do you find any problem with you?
No, sir.
Okay. So on your demand, just do this question for the last question for today. Neither Rohit nor his friend is going out for the shooting of documentary. Last question for today. Answer it.
Sir, no error.
So
Come on.
was
Neither Rohit nor his friends.
सर आर आएगा इसकी जगह.
Very good. the answer, the problem is with is. It should be are.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because neither Rohit nor his friends.
Sir,
Now,
dono.
yeah, when we're talking about when neither nor, either or, nothing, not.
Hello?